Most companies take 3 to 6 months to launch a new warehouse. But top operators, they go from an empty shell to a fully operational distribution center in just 30 days. The difference isn't the budget, it's the process. Here is exactly how to set up a warehouse in 30 days. Step by step, to launch faster, avoid costly mistakes, and start shipping on time. In the past, warehouse setup was slow and reactive. Lease the building, install racks, hire people, figure it out along the way. But with e-commerce growth and tighter SLAs, delays are expensive. Every extra week means lost revenue, penalties, and frustrated customers. Speed is no longer optional. It's a competitive advantage. A 30-day warehouse launch isn't about rushing. It's about parallel planning instead of sequential execution. Most teams wait to finish one phase before starting the next. High-performing teams overlap design, procurement, hiring, and system setup from day one. That's the shift. Now here are the 5 critical elements. 1. Layout before lease finalization. Design the operation before fully signing off. Map product flow, dock positions, picking zones, and stating. Flow first, racks second. 2. Equipment, pre-booking, racking, MHE, scanners, order immediately. Lead times, destroy timelines, lock in vendors early. 3. WMS, ready by week 2. The warehouse management system must be configured before inventory arrives. Test inbound, picking, and dispatch in a sandbox environment. 4. Hire core team early. Bring in the warehouse manager and supervisors at least 2 weeks before go live. They validate layout and train staff. 5. Dry runs. Before go live, simulate receiving, put away, picking, packing, and shipping. Fix bottlenecks before real orders hit. Miss any one of these, and a 30-day plan becomes 90. Here's the simplified action plan. Step 1. Finalize process flow and layout in week 1. Step 2. Trigger all procurement and system setup immediately. Step 3. Run full operational simulations before launch day. Do not wait. Overlap tasks strategically. One retail client launched a 50,000 square foot DC in 28 days by pre-ordering racks before site handover. An e-commerce startup configured their WMS remotely and went live 10 days after inventory arrival. A 3PL reduced launch delays by 40% simply by running structured dry runs. The pattern is clear. Planning depth equals launch speed. If planning a warehouse launch, ask, is execution sequential or strategically parallel? Comment below with the biggest setup challenge. Subscribe for weekly breakdowns on warehouse operations, supply chain strategy, and distribution excellence. Build smarter. Launch faster.